for the lighthouse, these are the pots I used, and I'm showing you the prices just so you know what size that they go for. And this one came in a 2-pack of this size, so they all fit together. And then I got the little plate on the top to hold the light, and I went with this light for the top because it's a nice solar light. So it's all glued together. Now I'm going to let that dry and then paint it. For the lighthouse, I used Rust-Oleum spray paint in semi-gloss white and painted everything first with white. Then I just used acrylic red paint to paint the edges of each pot, and I did the bottom and the top with a gray. To make the gray, I just mixed black and white together. The windows and the doors, I used black acrylics paint just to paint on the windows and the doors. So here is our finished lighthouse. And I just used contact cement to attach the solar light on top. I love those lights because there's no switch or batteries that need to be replaced. You can just leave it alone. And those lights can go in a clear light or color changing, which are really pretty too. Thanks for watching.